welcome to another video. This time I decided to start adding an arcade, like game store to the town, but I also ended up doing a lot of outside stuff, and I kind of lined out the housing, and I believe I did record a bit of the outside building of the houses, but I let my friends decorate the insides because I didn't really think anybody wanted to see me do the insides, because I kind of already did a video already of like a bedroom and stuff. So it was mainly just me doing the outside and the start of the school that's above the hill. There's also some parts that I ended up skipping because this is just a little bit, it was difficult to do at first because I didn't really have much ideas for this. I have never really gone to an arcade before, so this is just kind of the best I did. I also tried to make a game controller at the top. It is supposed to be a PlayStation controller because that is what I have in my room to look off of, so I decided to do that.
Let's go have some fun.
Once I began doing the lighting around the place, I did go a little bit crazy. So you may end up seeing a lot of flashy lights through the speed build of this like light trim that I did, because I also ended up doing this to the inside because I couldn't really think of lighting when I got to that point. So I ended up putting trim in there too, and it kind of just lit up the place perfectly how I wanted it to, because I figure most arcade places just have really bright lights that are like absurd, you know? Not like white lights, but like bright colored lights. this place will probably be shown a lot more when I actually do the video of making the school, but I decided to record me doing the plants on the side and at least the start of the layout of it, because I wanted one side to be a gym, and above the gym I had an idea of like the school. It doesn't really have that much budget, so I decided to get this hill with a plot of land, and it has a abandoned apartment on the top where the gym is, so they decided to just have a one-floor gym. So, yeah. This is the part where I decided to do the outside of this house, but I did not record the other house with me doing the outside because I did not finish doing the outside for the next house over. But I did finish the outside of this house and then let my friend Mark furnish it, but I may redo his upstairs a little bit because I love the first floor of what he did, but I don't really like the second floor. The roof was so difficult for this, by the way. I decided to start doing the inside, and I decided to start doing the little prize corner where you'd probably bring your tickets over and turn them in for like stuffed animals and stuff. Usually there'd be a bit more like candy and like little like trinkets and stuff, but I couldn't figure out what to do for that part, so I decided to do this instead, just stuffed animals. The little toddler cars didn't go on right at first when I put them on this, so later on after the tour I had to reposition these. And now it was finally time to put in all of the things that I worked all day for, to put inside of this place that I totally didn't look at a Panda Lemon Tart video for what to add inside, because I had no clue. I even tried to look up images before of arcade like machines, and I just couldn't figure it out, so I went to her videos to figure out what kind of stuff to add inside. So yeah. I guess I forgot to record the part on the upstairs where I decided to make the snack spot with the slushies and pizza, because I figured that at an arcade you'd probably be eating pizza and drinking slushies. So I added a little corner for that by the stairs.
some fun.
After adding some more tiny things, I then moved on to the tour finally with some of my friends.